If you're facing app crashing and freezing problem after the iOS 26 update on your iPhone, so in this video I will show you how you can fix this issue. Now first of all, just go to the recent apps section and close any app if it is running in the background. After that, just go to the App Store. Now in the profile icon, just look if you have any update available for the apps on your iPhone or not. If you have any update available, just tap on update and update the apps on your iPhone. After that, just go to settings. Now under the general settings, just tap on software update and check if you have any software update available, as this could be a software glitch which will be fixed through a software update. Now if you have done that and if this did not work, then just go back and tap on iPhone storage. And from here, just check if you have enough storage on your iPhone or not. If the storage is low on your iPhone, the apps will not be able to work properly. So make sure you delete some data from your iPhone to free up some storage. Now after you do that, then go to your home screen and perform a force restart on your iPhone. To do that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button, and press and hold the side button on your iPhone until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. Now just check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then the last thing you can do is just go to settings and tap on general. At the bottom of this page, you will find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. Now from here, just tap on reset and select reset all settings. Tap on reset all settings, then tap on reset all settings one more time to reset all the settings of your iPhone. Now by resetting all the settings, you will not delete any data of your iPhone. You will just reset all the settings on your iPhone in case if you have enabled a setting which might be causing this issue. And this is how you can fix the app crashing and freezing problem after the iOS 26 update on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.